You can hear the alarm sound. This happens at 12 p.m. every first Monday of a month. It lasts for around 1 minute. This alarm. This is mostly, yeah, some kind of drill. Yeah, so that when needed during emergency time, it still works. People know that, okay, this is a drill alarm at 12 p.m. first Monday every month. In few seconds this will stop. Of course, the video is just to capture the sound. And yeah, this alarm goes out throughout the Netherlands, not only in my area. We have reached almost 1 minute. It might stop very soon. See, this is stop, right? Bye bye.